Welcome to the Rago Fabrication install series. Today we're going to show you how to mount the accessories on the modular storage rail systems. These ones are for a canopy. Today we have an ARB canopy, and to install this, it's fairly simple. Just find the direction of the canopy that's actually the bottom, and you want these to be at the bottom of your canopy, so they would essentially mount like this. So we're just going to roll it over. We already inserted these bolts. Put in a bolt here, put our nuts on. We're going to do the same back here. What we're going to do is just snug these up. They don't have to be tight, because once we're up on the modular storage system, we're just going to move it from left to right, adjust our canopy, and then we can bolt it down from there. All of our mounts will come with 12 bolts necessary to bolt it to the slats. And let's go ahead and do this one. Our other accessories are very similar. These are the mounts for the tread system, and these are pretty handy. These are also the same mounts that you can use to mount rotopacks on our system. We're not going to mount the rotopacks today, but we are going to mount the treads. We pre-installed the treads holder onto our mount, and we made it so it's adjustable from left to right, so you can meet up the guideline holes here. We're also developing a system where, for these treads, that a bracket will come through here, and then you can mount shovels on this tread, so you'll maximize the allowable space on the outside of these rails. We're trying to design more and more products so you can get more and more stuff with the limited space, and this will solve a lot of the problems with that. A lot of people like treads, but they want shovels also. So with these brackets here, and then the add-on to these, you'll be able to do that. We'll most likely also be making a mount that is similar, that you could put a rotopacks on the outside of here if you didn't have the shovels or you didn't want them. So look out for that. So this is completely loose. What we're gonna do is just slide it out. He's gonna tighten up the bottom bolt. It's very easily accessible.